We are more than just cellular breakthrough products. We are the future, where external beauty and internal wellness coexist. The evolution of regenerative care for your skin, hair, and body. We believe the art of engineering a beautiful cell, both inside of our vials and within, is at the core of what makes Evolutionary Biologics a pioneer in cellular science. Allow your patients to experience what physicians and clinic case studies have exclaimed is responsible for revolutionizing the landscape of the aesthetic market. We invite your practice to join in on the many patient testimonial success stories and see for yourself why cells have never been more beautiful. Available in single vial or our new multi-vial kit packs for optimal treatment results. Evolutionary Biologics, manufacturing a quality, efficacious and safe product series that has redefined the advancements in biotechnology research. Scientifically more beautiful. A commitment our FDA-certified lab continues to uphold to create our clinical-grade products. Visit us online to learn more about our lineup of topical treatment solutions at evobiologics.com or scan the QR code to learn more about the scientific difference behind manufacturing a more beautiful cell. Evolutionary Biologics. Cells have never been more beautiful.